Hi, Power Learning Goals students. This is your mentor, Josie Alder. I just want to go over the naming system for School Pathways one more time. When you're uploading work into School Pathways, make sure that you're first in the correct module. These will go in order. So my first submission would be under Module 1. My second submission would be under Module 2. If you ever get confused, just check the dates, and that will help you. Now, if you're going to be uploading a Power Learning Goal, you need to name it correctly. So if I'm doing this Language Arts Power Learning Goal, I'm going to name my file LA for Language Arts. I'm going to come and see what number Power Learning Goal I did. So LA1, because I did the first Power Learning Goal, and this is the first time I've selected a bullet point. So LA1A would be how I would name a file. Now, if you find a Power Learning Goal that needs to be submitted more than once, such as number 7, you'll know that you need to submit 2 because there's 2 no selection boxes to the left. So that means one submission might be LA7A. And then another submission would be LA7B, because you're only required to do one bullet point for each submission. Parents, if you could also grade the submissions, that would be great. It would help me a lot. It is on a pass-fail basis. So if your student does a sufficient job, you can just put pass at the top of the page if you'd like, or you can grade it and I can decide if it is a pass or a fail. One more thing is, if you want to upload videos into School Pathways to show your proof of meeting your Power Learning Goal, sometimes those will not download for me. So if you could send those to me just directly in an email, and then just write me a comment in School Pathways, we could make that work. And also, if your files are not named correctly up to this point with submission 1 and submission 2, if you could please go back in and label those correctly. I cannot grade unless they are labeled correctly because I do not know what goal you are going for. So you can just do that in the comment box. Just comment what Power Learning Goal it is and rename it correctly. If you have any questions or you need help naming or uploading or having trouble finding resources for your Power Learning Goals, please contact me and I can help you out with that. Thank you.